ATPLH Principles of Flight question to explain the influence of moisture content on air density. A helicopter is operating on a hot, humid day at a fixed altitude. Compared to a dry day at the same temperature, what happens to air density? A higher density gives better performance, a lower density gives reduced performance. Density remains unchanged cannot be determined without knowing wind speed. Think about it. The correct answer is B. Lower density gives reduced performance. Explanation: high humidity reduces air density, which reduces rotor lift and engine performance. Even at constant altitude and temperature, moisture decreases density. Subscribe for more ATPL questions.